It is now time to do a little birthday dance and start some celebrations, and we are beginning this fine day with Adley Dixon in Parsons. She is turning 4 years old today, and this comes with love from Mimi and Papa.
I love her crown. She is the birthday princess.
Absolutely.
Sure. And here's another little princess. Macy Reyes Wallen is 4 years old this year in Oswego.
We also have Oakley Slaughter turning 11 years old in Webb City. Happy birthday, Oakley.
All right, Kara Taylor Hurst celebrating birthday number 37 this year. Great picture there of Kara in Weir, Kansas. Birthday love coming from Dad.
And we've got Julie Jarrow from Humboldt. She is turning 42 years old today. Very happy birthday to you, Julie.
All right, we'll stay up there in that neck of the woods. In Iola, Kansas, Llewellyn Peterson celebrating birthday number 51.
And we've got Brian and Deanna Joy. They are celebrating their 37th wedding anniversary over in Altoona. That is a great wedding photo. And a very happy 37th anniversary to you, Brian and Deanna.
I'd like to know if Mr. Joy still has that amazing hair to this day.
I'm sure he does, to be honest.
He does. Happy anniversary, Brian and Deanna. And let's see, our birthday list continues. Ashley Bayou celebrating birthday number 24, former Miami resident there. And Bonnie West in Chanute. Happy birthday.
And I've got to send a special birthday out to my middle child turning 9 years old today, Colt. Boy, it's hard to believe he's 9 because it seems like it was not long ago he was just a baby. So a happy birthday to him as well. We'll be celebrating this weekend.
Happy birthday, Colt. All right, if you have a birthday, you can submit them to birthdayswithan@koamtv.com or birthdayswithan@koamnewsnow.com.
And while you're at our website, why don't you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club? You get some really cool deals from local businesses. All you need to do is go to our website, koamnewsnow.com.